Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started. Let us start by opening the search bar below and search for Registry Editor and run it as administrator. Now open this folder. Then click System and locate the folder Current Control Set and open it. Now click on the services and navigate to the folder named and click it. Now on the right side, right click on the Start and choose Modify. On the value data, change it to 2 and then click OK. Now restart your computer to see if that method was able to fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.